my goodness, good morning guys. I'm very tired this morning, but I feel good because today is gonna be a very fun day. My mother-in-law and sister-in-law are actually hosting a Halloween costume party, which is also a potluck, and there's a bunch of people going, some family, friends, and I'm just really excited. So I'm gonna be spending the day prepping for that. Then we have to head to my mother-in-law's early this afternoon. Gotta get ready for the party. I'm excited to show you guys our family friggin' costume. Right now I am just having my morning bone broth and we are just gonna jump right into it. All right, so first things first, I just need to start baking. So I couldn't decide between savory and sweet, so I'm doing one of each. We're gonna start with the sweet. I'm gonna be making some cupcakes. We're keeping it simple and I'm using a box version. So this is the Betty Crocker Devil's Food Chocolate. It's so stinking good. So I'm gonna put the whole thing in a big bowl. Then you need 1 cup of either water or milk. I always use milk just because I feel like it makes the cake batter more moist. So 1 cup of that. And then it needs half a cup of vegetable oil. I don't know about you guys, but Betty Crocker like cake mixes always hit. They never ever taste bad. I saw the other day when I was picking up this chocolate one that they have a butter pecan. So I need to try that next. Then I'm just adding 3 eggs and I'm making a freaking mess. And honestly, it's as simple as that. Now I'm just gonna mix it all together. Literally, it smells so friggin' good. Oh my god. Now we're just going to put them in the muffin tins. Usually I like to use the silicone like muffin liners, but because like people are gonna be eating these individually, I like just wanna have these paper ones on it. This is not making a lot. I might have to go get another box. All right, well the box kind of lied because this is only 12 cupcakes and this is how much batter is left. And the box says it makes up to 21. This is nowhere near 21. So I'm actually gonna put these in the oven and I'm gonna run to Walmart and get another box. Maybe I'll buy a different flavor, I'll see. And don't worry, Alan is home, so it's not that I'm leaving these cupcakes unattended. So first batch going in the oven. I'm back and I literally had to change into shorts because I'm already sweating. But the Betty Crocker stuff is now 3 for $6. So I picked up 1 cherry chip, 1 rainbow, and then you can mix and match with the icing. So I got French vanilla. But I think for the potluck, I'm gonna do the rainbow just because I feel like people will like this more than they will like the cherry chip. But I'm obsessed with this one, it's so good. I've also been trying to look for Halloween sprinkles everywhere and literally nowhere has them. Walmart just had this, which is kind of Halloweenish. I mean, it kind of has like, it's more gold than oranges, but like black and white. So I'm gonna use that. Now, while the cupcakes cool, we're gonna start on the savory dish that I'm making, which is spinach dip. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. I think she got it from Pinterest, but it's so good, and this is the way that I make it now. It's honestly super simple and easy, and it's so cheesy. First thing we're gonna use is a block of cream cheese. I'm using lactose-free cream cheese, just from the Great Value brand. It would be best to have this more room temperature, just so it's a little bit easier to mix. I just cut it into smaller, like little pieces, so it's easier to mix as well. Now we need half a cup of Parmesan cheese, black pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, but I feel like I use a little bit closer to just 1. Also 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a cup of feta cheese, half a cup of mayo, and then I don't measure this, but I just buy frozen spinach. I chop it up and then I drain any water and I just kind of eyeball it. So just put however much you like. And then I'm just gonna use my hand mixer to blend it all together. Or mix it all together. This is what it kind of looks like when it's all mixed. All of the cupcakes are done baking. I just have them on this little tray. I'm gonna let them cool before I ice them. And I bought this little cupcake box from Michael's. I believe it was $11.99 or $12.99, and it holds 24. I just thought this was really convenient way to bring it to my mother-in-law's and also to display it tonight. Now, if you guys watched one of my last vlogs, I told you that we're doing a family costume, which is Jurassic Park. So I picked up these like tiny little dinosaurs. I believe there's 16 of them. I know it's not Halloween themed per se, but it's like a theme to our costume, so I thought it was cute. And then I'm gonna put some sprinkles. I also found this orange and black one in my cupboard. Final product. Oh my freaking god, are they ever cute? Wow. I'm obsessed. And lastly, this is what the spinach dip is looking like. I'm gonna let it cool. It's pretty cool actually already, just because I need to pack it, and then I'll rewarm it when I get to my mother-in-law's before the party starts. That was like 2 hours of baking and cooking and prepping the food. Now it is time to pack an overnight bag. I have to pack all of our costume stuff, any clothes I need, my makeup, that type of stuff. I think I mentioned the party is at my mother-in-law's house, which is like 40 minutes from us, so we're gonna be sleeping there tonight. And I don't want to forget anything, so I'm gonna throw everything on my bed. I always overpack because we are the people that like make last minute plans. Like I feel like tomorrow we might end up going somewhere or doing something, so I just always bring extra clothes. Or like even last weekend when Alan and I stayed over, we ended up staying like 2 days longer than we were planning, so it's like I always need to pack a little bit extra. Mainly I just have some clothes for tomorrow, my pajamas, straightener, and hairspray because I'm gonna curl my hair when I get to my mother-in-law's. I have my costume all assembled on this hanger, so I think I'm honestly just gonna take it as is. In this little bag I just have my toiletries, my eye mask, my skincare, and then I have a couple of like dinosaur themed jewelry that I want to wear with my costume. And then I'm bringing all of this Smart Sweets candy, so I work with them and they always send me, you know, Smart Sweets stuff. This is Kobe's dinosaur costume, and then I also bought a stuffed dinosaur animal thing. I have another one, but it's in our car already. We're gonna throw these stuffed animals into the little cage that we made. It's gonna be so friggin' funny. One of my girlfriends is buying this sports bra from me, so I am going to bring that because I'm gonna see her at some point this weekend. And then I'm gonna pack the book that I'm currently reading, which is The Housemaid's Secret. I'm almost done, so I'm hoping actually to be done tomorrow. And goddamn, this bag is full. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to zip it up. It is a lot later right now. It is 4:50. I just curled my hair and now I'm gonna put some makeup on. I told myself I wanted to be ready by like 6 p.m. so that we could take like some videos for a reel and some photos. And my makeup's only gonna take me 10 minutes, not even. So I'm gonna have plenty of time for that. We got here maybe at like 2 o'clock, just before 2. And we put up a lot more decorations and just got a lot more things ready and out. We had no intentions of this being an outdoor party at all, but I think we are gonna at some point maybe hang out in the backyard because it's so hot. It's October 19th and it is 21 degrees. Like, it's so nice today, so we put some decorations out in my mother-in-law's backyard as well. She has a lot of these like blow-up Halloween themes things, so we just got some extension cords and we put 2 of them in the front and 1 in the backyard. The 2 in the front, one is like a giant spider and the head moves, and then the other one is like a huge skeleton. And then in the back, it's like pumpkins, a ghost, 2 ghosts, and then a witch in the middle. It's really cute. I'll show you guys all of the decorations when I'm ready. I am quite literally so hungry, so I'm really excited to see what food everybody's bringing. All right, makeup is done. Now I just took my first whole earrings out and my charm necklace because I bought some dinosaur themed jewelry. I don't know if you guys can tell the little dinosaur earring. I found it on Shein for like, I don't even know, like $1 or $2. So I figured this is cute, I should just rock it. So I'm gonna try and put that in. I might need Alan's help. It was easy to put in, but it's just hard to clip it. It's hard with some fat fingers, huh?
It's a pot.
Got it? Okay, now the other one. And then I got a little matching necklace. This one's a little T-Rex. Oh my god, there's a knot in this now. Like, why is all of these things difficult? It's funny because Kobe's been barking a lot, and this is how we came up with the costume. I don't even know if I told you guys this, but literally like a month ago, Alan randomly called Kobe Barkosaurus because he was just barking so much, and it stuck with me. I was like, oh my god, he can be a dinosaur, the Barkosaurus Rex, and we'll do Jurassic Park. Cute. Very freaking cute. We gotta go assemble our costumes, and then I'll show you guys the family costume reveal.